Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edwin Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows Activations Error Message Code 0xC004D302 where there is a software licensing service versions and it's the non-core editions. So typically this has to do with some sort of corrupt file on your computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on the search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung registry editor. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang pong yes. Okay, so before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And then pop up itong export registry file. And then select mo lang dito kung saan masisave yung file. And then I recommend sa paglagay ng name, lagyan din ng date. And then click mo lang itong save. Ayan. So if you needed to import it back, so napakasimple lang din. So same procedure. Dito lang sa taas, click mo lang itong file. And then select mo lang dito yung import. And then pop up itong import registry file. And then next step ay ilocate mo lang dito kung saan mo sinave yung file. Right? So proceed na tayo. So ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machines. So double click ka lang dito. Ayan. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung software. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa software, ang next step ay i-locate lang natin yung Microsoft. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa Microsoft, scroll down lang tayo at i-locate natin yung Windows NT. So dito sa baba. Right? So hanapin natin yung Windows NT. Ito siya. So dito, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then makikita mo dito yung current versions under dito sa Windows NT. So i-click mo ulit itong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa current versions, ang next step ay i-locate natin yung software protections. Okay, so scroll down lang tayo. And then ito na siya. So makita mo dito yung software protections platform. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. So dito sa software protections platform, ang gagawin natin ay kailangan mo namang double click. And then lalabas itong kanyang settings dito sa right side. So ang next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung escape rearm. So double click ka lang. And then pop up itong edit the word 32-bit value. So ang gagawin natin dito na sa value data ay change natin yung 0 into 1. And then dito sa base, kailangan naka-hexadecimal. And then click mo lang itong OK. And then next ay close lang natin dito yung registry editor. So close natin. Ayan. So close. And then next step ay dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang ang yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc/scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix Windows Activations Error Code 0xC004D302. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.